Greetings everyone and happy Sunday. Today we're going to talk about the Windows 8 search feature. Let's talk about Windows 7 first. Now, Windows 7 feature is awesome. It's amazing. And same thing as Windows Vista, if I recall it right. It's pretty much the same. Alright, the beauty about Windows Vista and Windows 7 search feature is that when you type in a word, it shows you a bunch of lists that has that certain keyword that you typed in. And it also categorizes it. I believe the first category on the Windows 7 search feature is I say settings, maybe settings or services, or something in the control panel. That's the first thing that's gonna pop up. And the second category that pops up is the actual file. So sometimes when I look for my songs or music, whatever, I type it in, and sometimes there's a bunch of files, or there's just a bunch of things popping up that I don't really need, especially if the keyword that I'm using to search for that song is pretty much very generic, right? But it categorizes it, and it makes pretty much life easier compared to Windows XP. Windows XP, you have to search it, and then you hit enter, and then if it doesn't find the keyword, you have to do it again. That's not fun, but anyway, okay, here's the Windows 8 search feature. Okay, first of all, this one is the Metro interface. Different interface. It looks like a mobile interface. Tablet. It's pretty good. But anyway, you're probably thinking, where in the world is the search button? Well, I mean the search box. Well, there's no search box on this one until you make it pop up, which is over here. When you hover your mouse on the upper right corner of your computer and drag it down, you see the search button. Or you can also start typing. For example, I'm looking for games. Alright, now the numbers on the side doesn't mean it's the first one, second one, and third one. It's just a coincidence that under the apps there's only one, and then under the settings category there are two, and then the files category there are three of them. Alright, now I just showed you the categories, and the beauty of this one is it does look for pretty much everything that you need. Let's see, let's type in you, okay? The word you. It's very generic, like very popular word. So in the apps there are two apps, and then settings, if you can see, there's a bunch of them. But it actually does show you all the stuff in the settings that has the word you on it. Now let's open up that search feature again, and then let's go to files. Alright, here are the files that I have with the word you in it, which is pretty cool because it has everything. You don't have to hit enter or whatever for it to, in Windows 7 when you search for something and you cannot find it, you have to hit enter, and it looks for every single thing in your C drive or whatever drive. Well, this one doesn't do it like that. It does do it like that, but it's easier, it's faster search feature. Very nice, very convenient, especially when you're looking for something that needs to be there real quick. You have to get it up real quick. Alright, and then another beauty about this one is if you have the Translate app, now we can use the search feature to translate whatever word we type in to English in automatic. It's the automatic settings, I think. But let us try translating the word porque in Spanish without the accent. Let's go to translate, and here it is. it auto detects the language that you just typed in, and when you hit, as soon as you hit translate, the translate app right here, it translated for you. Now let's do restaurant. Alright, and then let's go to maps right here. There it is. That's how easy it is. Search features, awesome. Pretty much use it for anything in whatever app you have. For example, you want to Bing something, just hit Bing and restaurant. Here you go. And then you can even type in weather. Here you go, weather. And I looked for Miami, Florida, and that's the weather for Miami, Florida. Alright, what else? Oh, also mail. You can look for stuff from your mail from this one, just like Windows 7. But alright. And obviously the Xbox Smart Glass, you can use that search feature too for that one, but my Xbox is not on right now and it's not connected, so I couldn't really show you right now. And that's pretty much it. Windows 8 search feature. Thanks.